start with copying a line segment, first thing we're going to do is we're just going to draw a line off to the right. Make sure that it's longer than the one that you're trying to copy. So here's the length, more or less, the first one. Just need to make sure that that one's longer. So first thing I'm going to do is take the pointy end of the compass, put it on A, and then I'm going to make the other end, by moving it back and forth, land on B, or the other side of the line segment. I always like to do a little arc right there just to make sure it goes through it, verifies that it's the right length. Then I'm going to shift it to my new line, put the point on the beginning of it, and draw a little arc off to the right. When I do that, I just created the same length as my original. So I'm going to call this A prime, so it kind of matches up. I'm going to call this new point from the arc B prime. And sure enough, this segment is the same length as this segment, and we see that those two segments are congruent. So we're going to write that in math terms. So what we know is the segment AB is congruent to the segment A prime B prime, because we just drew them, we know that. And then we can also say that their lengths are equal. So AB equals A prime B prime. So those are the two things that we want to say from copying that segment.